Welcome to Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Yeah, put it down. Leave it alone.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. Has this ever happened to you?
We can't answer the door right
What do you want?
My phone.
Yeah, I know that trick. I got you on camera already. Baby, call 911.
Okay. They said they called the police.
I've seen this before, but never really knew what they was up to.
Get out of the backyard.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
That's my, come here, get up.
Oh, my name is Armani.
Okay, we're not on nothing bad. We're stranded and we're trying to find, can you like help us get home? You can help?
Huh?
Our phones are dead. Our friend literally left us. You can,
What's it before that? I said I cannot. Okay, respect. Come on.
don't walk. Look at that.
Let me know your thoughts in the comments and what would you do in that situation. It is pretty late, 1 a.m.
Hello?
Hey, hi. I live the next street over, right?
Uh-huh.
And I used to live over like 7014. I noticed you always had a lot of ladders. Is there any way I could use one of your ladders to fix the rain spout on the next street over real quick?
My husband's not home, so I can't lend his ladders out.
Okay. Do you know when he'll
Yeah.
be home?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. Sure.
Have a good one.
Check this guy out. I guess he's gonna try to hit every camera in the building. I'm not sure why everybody hates cameras so much. Unless you up to no good.
Go, 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 go. Hurry up, hurry up.
I see you.
Check this lady out. From what I've read, she's going door to door trying to collect money on the daily.
Hello?
I don't know if you remember me, but did you buy the house from Full Figure? Pretty much a dilemma. It's the only place I'm going to come to because it's the only place familiar. I'm out of gas, and I need a couple bucks for a gas can. Is that possible until I get home?
Sorry.
No?
No.
Alright.
Sorry.
This here tells you these porch pirates don't have a face. He's well dressed and driving a pretty nice truck. He's out here stealing packages.
Hello? Help you?
Yeah, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm from Astor Pharmacy, looking for Ted Savinsky. Is this the right address?
No, no, you have the wrong address.
I'm sorry?
No, that's the wrong address. There's no Ted there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's summertime, guys. People are walking around here with nothing to do. Please keep your doors locked.
Ticket is 5459378. 5459379. 5459378. 5459379. Here we have
Mira, Gravy, ¿dónde anda, vale?
If anybody knows what he's saying, please let me know.
Mira, Mari, estoy por la esquina, coño la madre, ando aburrido. Abrí la puerta, Erika, ¿dónde anda? Apartamento 1. No comen todo. No comen, prende luz. Prende luz. Prende luz.
Don't forget about your other package delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab your packages from. Let's not forget to buy them chains this summer. Let's lock up these bikes and scooters.
Doorbell.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Thank you for watching Hoodwatch News. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.